my break right now, but I gotta go back to work. It's almost done. Especially right now that I'm gonna start working, for the gay pride. So it's gonna be pretty busy. We're in the back of the concert, pretty much, where the gay flag is. And I'm not too far from where my friend lives. Respect the lights, respect the lights. So I'm right here in the kitchen. We just closed and I'm just making myself some taquitos. I offered myself that I was gonna clean everything so she can go and relax. So these are the taquitos that we have. Oh, yeah, we have like 5 different tacos. And the party's right here. Cumbias, they're playing remix right now. And that's the lady. And he's the owner right there, Alex. Agua de tamarindo right here. It looks like a Mexican party pretty much. And I am right here. I'm right here about to start working, but I just wanted to show you guys. They're running, están corriendo aquí por lo del gay pride, el orgullo gay. Por ejemplo, aquí estamos en, se puede decir, el corazón de la comunidad, pues, de la comunidad gay. Y ya van llegando los que van corriendo. I don't know how far they went. It's gonna be pretty busy. Yesterday was busy too. Yeah, so I'm ready, I'll be working from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. The Marines are right there. Pienso que van a desfilar. And then this guy right there smoking, he gave me 2 joints for free. I think there were samples. So yeah, THC. THC. Even though I don't really do that, I'm more into the edibles. But anyways, I'm going to start working because my boss is gonna get mad at me. He's cool though. It's pretty chill.